Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today I got some time to record my live trading video, and I would like to show how we did trade today, how we placed the order, how much time we took, how all of them placed the trade same like the way I placed. So, and also to give you a confidence, give you a boosters that all the working people also can trade. With this motto, I would like to showcase this video to you, today's live trading video. So before going forward, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend, and in case if you like, if you want any strategies on equities as well as commodities, you can just subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to press the like button if you like any videos, and also don't forget to share. And in case if you have any doubts, any confusions, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Okay, so let us quickly go to today's video. Okay, so this is a recording which I had done at 9 o'clock. Okay, so you know that I give call at 9:15 to 9:20 in that range. So today's stock selected is Wipro. Okay, so this is a group which I have. Let me quickly place it so that everyone gets the same script in their watch list. So add Wipro features to the watch list, and then the buy price is buy at 285.60, and target and stop loss would be 0.8. okay, I keep it the range of around 0.3%, which is very very good enough. So let me also place a trade for myself. 285.60, 285.70, a small buffer of 10 paisa, target and stop loss of 80 paisa. Yeah, let me just refresh it. So yeah, so you can see that the order is trigger pending. So this is what you have to do. That's it, very simple. So you observed that I gave the call also quickly first, because there are many complaints that I used to place the order and then give the calls. So that is why I made it a practice now of immediately sending the call first and then myself trading. Only then I'll put the trades so that others also can place the same trades. So hope you saw how to place a trade. It was very simple as this. I'll just show you today's result. Result should not be a criteria, but as you all, let me just show. So Wipro has done the profit at around 927. It has done a profit. Yes, you can see that it has easily crossed our levels. And yeah, this is the beauty, friends. You just saw me placing one order which was trigger pending, and then after that I did not have to look into my screen also. I just had to continue with my work. It was I was little busy traveling to the office, so I could not look into the screen, which I don't have to also. But you can see the beauty that once my order is triggered, my stop loss and my target also comes automatically. I don't have to place it. This is the beauty of bracket order or OCO order, available only in Upstock and Zerodha. So if you want to open an account in this Upstock or Zerodha, you can just use the link which I provided in the description, and once if you use that, you will get 50% discount on my paid calls. Okay, so you can see that one is cancelled and another one is automatically completed. So let us just see the portfolio also. Yeah, so we have done a profit for the day, that is 1020. You can see the price, buy price and the sell price. Let me also update in the group so that everyone make sure it is done. Yes, target done today also. Why I meant today also is because yesterday almost this entire week we are in profits, so we are closing the week in profits. That is why I meant as target today also. And in case if you want to join this WhatsApp group, I update daily. I keep sending all the list daily. There are a lot of people in this group, so if you also want to join this group, you can just contact on my number, and you can also avail these facilities. So as you saw friends, it's very very simple. I just place my order within 1 or 2 minutes, and then I don't even have to look into the screen. So people who all are working, who don't have time, college students, even people doing business, all these people can make use of this facility. I'm calling it as open trade because I am trading and I'm immediately placing the trade. And also friends, I would recommend, in case if you're taking any advisories from many people spending lots of money, please be aware. Make sure that are they doing trading. Only if they are doing trading with their own hard earned money, only then trust them. there'll be many who will be giving lots of orders and they won't be trading, whereas you'll be losing a lot of money. But you have seen my videos from almost past 1 year. I trade daily and immediately I place the calls so that we are on the same boat. So even if it is profit or even if it is loss, we are on the same boat. And this is one of my method of helping people, one of my step taken, so that many other people who are not able to make good successful money are able to make profit like the way I am making profit. Okay friends, any doubts, then don't forget to WhatsApp on this number 8095876525. And in case you want any support, any doubts, any confusion regarding any other old files or any videos, also you can just contact me. Please WhatsApp, don't call me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.